One or two for myself again.
It's Alan Twitty. It's Mario. Say hi, Mario. It's Paul.
How's it going?
Hey, for Facebook, Paul. You never know, you might sell something.
You never know.
This is DCM. I don't know where Dave is. This is the Ecor sanctioned race on the Max track. It's Joe Rinn marshalling like a pro. Look at him. Ernie Fenimore. Say hi, Ernie. Mr. McAvoy, Mayor, how are you?
We're on the campaign trail. Vote for the Mac is vote for tax stability.
Vote for the Mac. Okay. Tom Stump stuff right here. Where's Tommy?
In the car that I just showed you.
There's the man himself. Say hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom.
I did.
Mr. Aurora. Bob Beers.
Hello. How are you? Good. Daytona's only one year. A lot of teachers.
There's my reflection in the mirror. I don't know if you can see me in there. Oh. There's Bob right there collecting money. Say hi, Bob. More Bob Beer stuff.